Okay, so for our last item before lunch, I'd like to ask all the poster presenters to line up to give a very succinct 1-minute shotgun summary of their posters. That will that'll facilitate the audience members to identify which posters they may want to visit and examine in more detail. And our poster judges are working diligently to judge these posters so that we can have our awards presentation at the end of the day. So please step up.
Hi everyone, my name is Abby Sugars-Keen. So in individuals living with type 2 diabetes and obesity, they face a severely elevated risk of the development of vascular thrombotic diseases, which also bring along a variety of life-threatening implications such as stroke and heart attack. While this association is very well documented, the causal mechanism behind it remains largely unknown. So my poster will be exploring the interaction between tissue factor and the insulin receptor and how this interaction might explain the crosstalk between these two comorbidities. Thank you very much. I'll be at poster number 1.
All right, so my name is Nick. I'm a PhD student in Dr. Kazakadatu's lab, as well as formerly with Dr. Devine. And fortunately, I get to bounce off of Dr. Hofmeister's talk, where we're trying to improve platelet storage, tackle those problems of bacterial contamination, deterioration by developing next-generation platelet storage devices that can self-sterilize and extend the shelf life of the cells. And I am poster number 15.
Hi everyone, my name is Emel Islamzadeh, Dr. Emel Islamzadeh now, from Dr. Hongshan Ma's lab, and we look at the formability of red blood cells. And in this particular talk, we discuss how the formability of red blood cells plays an important role in red blood cell removal from circulation after transfusion in a murine model. And interestingly, we show that if the deformability profile of transfused cells does not match the endogenous cells, they're actually being rapidly removed. Come to poster number 5 to find out more. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Stephen. I'm in Dr. Hugh Kim's lab. My poster is about in the general theme of platelet intracellular signaling. Even after years of studying about how the intracellular signaling pathway inside platelets work, many of the pathways are still not fully documented. I study a specific protein that binds to cytoskeleton inside inside platelets, and then this protein is called filament A. And my poster is about how filament A contributes to intracellular signaling pathways inside platelets. My poster is poster number 17. Come to take a look if you want to hear more about it. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Masa, a PhD candidate at the University of Alberta in Dr. Jason Acker's lab. My research focuses on the differences of oxygen delivery in young and old RBC subpopulations with a new method. So if you are interested, please visit my poster. My poster number is 14. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Bryce Roper. I'm a PhD student in the Kizkaratu lab, and I'll be sharing my progress towards developing protected organ vasculature by modifying the glycocalyx with immunoinhibitory sugars with hopeful translation towards solid organ transplant. I'm poster number 4.
Hi everyone, my name is John Perry. I'm in the Prasdale lab at UBC. Come by poster 11 to see what tissue factor in the envelope of coronavirus can do for clotting.
Hi everyone. everyone, my name is Irina. I'm a PhD candidate from Dr. Karen Chun's lab, where we are working on the Mend-the-Gap project, trying to develop a new biomaterial-based treatment for spinal cord injury, for which currently there is no cure. And I specifically work on biomaterial design and strategies to improve the neurite outgrowths from primary neurons. So if you're interested in that, just come see me at poster 8.
Hi, my name is Alexandra Witt, and I'm a PhD candidate in Ed Prysdale's lab. My work is looking at taking factor 10 from a clot maker to a clot breaker and trying to make a new drug for heart attack and stroke. So I will be at poster number 3. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Eric Lamoureux. I'm a PhD candidate in Dr. Hongshan Ma's lab. We looked at transfusion-dependent beta thalassemia patients, specifically if different levels of red blood cell deformability in the blood units given to these patients result in different persistence of hemoglobin. We find a mild but significant relationship where more deformable red blood cells persist longer in circulation. Thank you.
Hello, I'm John Hess. I'm a postgraduate year 53 student at the University of Washington. We have a poster about our 8-week whole blood storage solution with preserved platelet function. We basically just took what we had done in the AS7 solution and added some platelet food to it. Please come see me at poster number 10.
Hi everyone, I'm Alex. I'm in Dr. Karen Chung's labs here at UBC. I'm also part of the Mend-the-Gap project, and my poster is looking specifically at the stiffness of a hydrogel and how we can tune it to match the spinal cord. If you're interested in learning more about it, I'm at poster number 2. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Katya. I'm a master's student in Professor Ma's lab, and I'm looking for T-cell subsets that can act as early biomarkers for the onset of graft versus host disease based on cytokine secretion. So if you're interested, come to poster 13. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Purna and I'm a master's student at Dr. Kelly Brown's lab at BCCH. My research focuses on utilizing whole blood transcriptomics to identify the putative pathways that form the pathogenesis of 2 different types of medium vessel vasculitis, polyarthritis nodosa and DATA2. So if you're interested, I'm at poster 16. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Fabiola. I'm a master's student from the Dr. Kirkshaw's lab, and my poster introduces our study of different metabolomic profile in adult compared to pediatric chronic graft versus host disease. And in the study, we aim to compare the metabolomic profile between the 2 pediatric cohort and determine the distinction between adult and pediatric. If you're interested, come to number 7. Thank you.
So thank you very much to all the poster presenters for your summaries. And on that note, please enjoy lunch. And we'd like to start again at 1:40. And Dr. Hong Ma.